Hello everyone, today we will be making the plain f15 model out of paper. So first what you need to do is make the center touch each edge equally, like that. Now press, highlight the edge like that. You need to make sure it is all equal. Now to get the angle right, you need to keep it like this and then put a right angled triangle down like that, and you need to touch it on the edge. You can do it as a normal aeroplane, but this gets the angle right. So you do that like in an ordinary aeroplane, but we're doing this so that we get the angle correct. Do it the same with the other side. And you really need to get it exact because this is the f15 model and it is really accurate. So now you open it up like that, and then bring the edge down all the way to the bottom. Keep it in the middle. Make sure to use so that you do that. Keep it with a straight line. Match the centers together, and there, flatten it out. Make sure you get everything correct. There, now you pull this up like that, and until the corner of the triangle is correct. There, that line should be straight, and you need to press it really hard. So make sure you follow each step. Now you need to open it up and bring this corner into the middle. You need to make this straight line. Follow the center. This is why we highlighted it so hard, so that we can clearly see the center and get it exact. So, and all you need to do is highlight it all the way to that line, not any lower. Now you can see that. Don't highlight lower. Bring it down, and as you can see, there's a line over there. Highlight it only till that line, or a little more, that doesn't matter, but don't go too far. So do the same with the other side. Now open it up like so, and then you need to pull it back down again and pull it up. As you pull it up, hold that pocket area with your finger and bring it in as you follow the center. Put this line on the center, and this part needs to be really accurate. If you get a mistake here, then the plane will not be right. So then you do this. Make that line on the center, bring that to the center again, and flatten this part. Bring that line to the center. Make sure they both are touching to each other, and you flatten them up like so. Now this is correct. You need to highlight them really hard. That's it. Now you have to take this part, you need to take it out. Now you see that line? This is why we highlighted it. Flip it the opposite way, like so. And keep it with the center. Do the same with the other side. Open it up and then bring it to the center. This is why highlighting is important, and this is why we highlighted it really hard, so that we can see where those points are. Now as you can see, there's another highlighted point. Flip it the opposite way. As you can see, highlighting is now coming in handy, and we can make our plane correctly. There, you get them to the center. That's correct. Now, and you need to be very careful at this point, flip this point up first, making it touch to the upper edge. Keep it at an angle of around 30 degrees or 25. Oh no, 10. Bring it at a 10-degree angle rough, and then touch it to the edge, and then flatten it out really hard so that you can see the line. Now flip it down. We did this so that we get this flip down accurate, because if we directly flip it down, you cannot see how low did it go. So if you do it too much or too less, the plane will not be correct. So do it like that, like so, and flip this down. Now this part is done. Now what you need to do, this part you need to be careful. Okay, so you take this part, bring it all the way to the center, all the way to the center, flatten it out, and do the same on the other side. Now be sure you only do that part. If you go all the way, this will not be correct. Don't bring all the way, and there's that little gap. That is okay. Now what you do is bring this into that pocket over there, as you can see, into that part. You kind of cross section them into each other. This into there. This is the part where you need to be careful, because this is, if you get this wrong, you will be thinking this is not looking like the actual plane. This part is a little difficult, so maybe this will take a little time for you, but it's okay. You don't need to get it on your first try. Now you fold it with the center again, all the way straight. There you go. And at this part, after this part, you may be needing a pair of scissors. So you need a pair of scissors. Over here you cut at an angle. At this part, over here you cut at an angle. Over here, like that, an angle, and not too far. Cut at an angle, and over here straight. There. Now as you can see, the wings are forming. Pull this down as you do in an ordinary plane, but at an angle again, so that gets a little streamlined shape. Now you push it really hard so that the wings get their shape. Do the same with the other side, like so. Now you can see the cockpit has formed, and now, sorry, the video time filled up. So you form the wings like that, and you need to do it really hard so that the wings get their shape sprung. Pull them out, and as you can see, you have the plane. Now if you want, you can pull that end up like so. You can do this, now you need to make sure you get it equal. You can also do this if you want. It makes it look a little more like the plane. You need to then pull them out. There you go. You have the plane model f15 created. I really like the cockpit look in it, and the ends. The wings really look like the model. Thank you for watching this video. We'll see you later.